They told me this material could get me banned from the shop forever, and for a good reason. Before I fired up the laser, I had to do a copper wire test. If this flame turns green, it's game over. That means toxic gas. If this test goes south, I'm not just losing a coaster, I'm risking the laser lens. Corrosive gas is no joke in a small shop. That's why we double-check every single mystery material. I'm aiming for a deep Maillard-style char without catching the whole piece on fire. It's a fine line between a clean engrave and a charcoal puck. Even though the test was borderline, I wasn't taking chances. We're moving the entire rig to a high ventilation zone. Safety isn't optional. Lasering unknown materials is a gamble. You're balancing between a clean burn and a chemical hazard. Watch the smoke density here. The YouTube compliance badge is looking sharp. If you've ever had a project almost get you banned from your own workshop, drop a comment below. I want to hear your close calls. And there it is. The YouTube compliance badge. I survived the burn, and the shop is still standing. Don't try this at home.